In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view customer profiles in Shopify on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to interpret the key information on a customer's profile so you can support your shoppers quickly and confidently. Start by opening your desktop browser and signing in to your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. Once you're on the main dashboard, give the page a moment to load so all the menus are available and you can navigate without delays. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Customers. This takes you straight to your customer list. Here you'll see all the profiles stored in your shop, typically displayed with names and basic contact details. Think of this view as your central directory. At the top, you'll find a search box designed to help you quickly zero in on the person you need. To find a specific customer, you can simply scroll the list or use that search box. Type in what you know: their name, an email address, a phone number, or even an address. If you're not sure about spelling, start with a partial name or the most distinctive part of their email. For phone numbers, try the format your store usually captures to improve accuracy. Keep your search terms simple at first, then refine if you see too many results. When you spot the correct customer in the list, click their name. That opens the customer's profile page in Shopify. It's a focused view that brings together the details you need to understand who the customer is and how they've interacted with your store. On the profile page, you'll see their contact information, including name, email, and phone. Use this to confirm you're looking at the right person and to reference how they prefer to be contacted. You'll also see the addresses they've used. This can include shipping or billing details, and it's helpful for verifying where orders have been delivered in the past. The order history section shows a list of orders they've placed with your store. Reviewing these entries can help you prepare for support conversations, check past purchases, and understand their buying patterns. You'll also find tags that you've added, such as VIP or wholesale, which are great for organizing and identifying important customer segments at a glance. Finally, the Notes and Timeline area captures messages or interactions related to the customer. Keep notes factual and helpful for your team, and avoid storing sensitive information. That's it. From signing in, to opening customers, to reviewing the profile details, you now know exactly how to view customer profiles in Shopify on desktop.